Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Quick note before we get started, please do remember to like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone else you think would enjoy it. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 22. If we start with this box, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 4, 7. For this row, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 1 here, so 4, 1. For this box, we're missing 1, 4, and 6. We've got 1 and 4 here, so this is our 6. 4 here, so 1, 4. For this row now, we're only missing a 7. For this box, we're missing 8 and 9, and I don't see any help. So 8, 9, 8, 9. For this column, we're missing 5, 8, and 9. We've got 8s covering both of these boxes. So 5, 9, 5, 9. That means that our 8 for that column has to be here, and that makes this our 9. For this column, we're missing 1, 3, and 5. We've got a 1 here, so 3, 5. 1 here, so 3, 5. That means our 1 has to be here. For this column, we're missing 3, 7, and 8. We've got a 7 and 8 here, so this is our 3. No other help. So 7, 8, 7, 8. If we look at this box, we're missing 1, 4, 5, and 7. No help here. 1, 4, 5, 7. 7 here, so 1, 4, 5. 1 here, so 4, 5, 7. For this column, we're missing 3, 4, 6, and 8. We've got 3, 6, and 8 here, so this is our 4. 6 and 8 in this box, so this is our 3. 6 here, so 8, 6. That 8 makes this our 7, 8. This 3 makes this our 5. And now we can get rid of the 5s over here. And this 4 means we can get rid of this 4. So now if we look at this top row, we're missing 1, 5, 7, and 9. Got a 1 and 9 here, so 5, 7, and no help here. 1, 5, 7, 9. For this row, we're missing 2, 4, 7, and 8. We've got 4 and 7 here, so 2, 8. 8 here, so 2, 4, 7. 2 and 4 here, so 7, 8. If we look at this row, we're missing 2, 3, 5, and 9. We've got a 2 here and a 9 here, so 3, 5. 2, 3, and 5 here, so this is our 9. And our 2 could not be there or there, so it must be here. For this box now, we're missing 3, 5, and 9. We've got 3 and 9 here, so this is our 5. That makes this our 3, 9. That 3 makes this our 5. Right, so we can get rid of this 5. If we look at this row now, we're missing 2, 7, and 8. We've got a 2 and 8 here, so this is our 7. 2 here, so 8, 2. This 8 makes this our 7. This 2 makes this our 8. 7 makes this our 4. 2. This 4 makes this our 1, 7. That 7 makes this our 5, 9, 5. And this is our 1. To finish out this box now, we're missing a 2. For this box, we're missing a 4. For this box, we're missing 4, 6, and 9. We've got a 4 and 6 here, so this is our 9. 6 here, so 4, 6. And for this last box now, we're missing 1, 3, and 7. We've got a 1 and 7 here, so this is our 3. 1 here, so 7 and 1. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a very good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.